Okay, everyone, never ever tamper with the fire alarms in any public building. Now remember, these are life safety devices. These were made to save people's lives because they alert people that the building is on fire and they must evacuate immediately. So these things are not to be messed around with. If you have your own fire alarms at home, it is totally okay to mess around with them, but never ever in a public building. Never ever tamper with the fire alarms in any public building. Never paint them, never screw or unscrew them, never take them off the wall or the ceiling, never write or draw on them. Never adjust the volume, the pattern, the candela, or tone on them. Never take the strobe off of them, never take the horn off of them, never disable the horn or the strobe on them. Never take the fire lettering off of them, never take the logo off of them. And if the fire alarm was a EST Genesis, never cross out the image of the running man escaping from the fire and never take that image off of the alarm. Never do any of that. Also, never pull the fire alarm for fun and never open the pull station. Never pull those. Never ever mess with these in a public building. Bye.